Okay, my dear friends, and the last sections of classes now, so I'll explain something commands to you. But with the help of that particular commands now, so I'll go into the discuss about something plans to you. Okay, I'll start it with the mechanical plan now, and we are going to complete that all those plans by other sections also. But I'll start it with what mechanical to you. Okay, I'll open this plan to you. So this is somewhat is a easy one to explain, so that's the reason I'm open it here. Okay, I'll show you. So what we do, okay, just a minute friend, I'm not connect the mouse, I connect that mouse here. Okay, it's done. Yeah. Okay. Shit. Yeah. You can see, friends, here we have something, this one. So we can see this plan now. So the second plan. So I'll explain this plan to you. Okay. So observe. Okay, so here we can see, friends, this is a circle here. The circle is made up by using of what, friends, is a 28 diameter, and this circle, and this circle. Now what I need to do is, I'm explaining one method over here. See, friend, that will be explaining by two methods, but I'm explaining the first method now. So what that, I'm taking the reference lines now. I take the line here, so we can observe the plan is having here, so here to here we have 60, so that's why I'm taking the 60 inches over here. And observe, friends, this is not actually 60 inches, it is actually is a 60 meters, so sorry, millimeters. So it depends on the plan, friends, what they given that. So I'm taking it as a centimeter, so it is here to here we have the 60 centimeters. So now I'm doing it, so 60 here, and after that I'll go into the escape over here, escape it. But here we can see, friends, this line we are not seeing now, so the total line we are not seeing it, so no problem at all. So we can use the Z enter, A enter, zoom all. So now it's zoom all, and I'm using the scroll it down, then it's zoom down, and I'm using it pan. So take pan here, no problem, take it pan like this. Now take another line, so this line I'm starting from here and I draw the line up to 82. So why it's 82, friends? Because of the reason is, from this end point I have the distance, that is what, 82. So that's okay. Z enter, A enter, zoom on and scroll down, zoom down. Okay, no problem. Now I'm taking this another line here. The line was taken from this end point. So now I'm draw the line, that is 56, and escape. And the same thing, L enter, add a line now. Here from this I have 42, and this side is having 22. So you can say now, hey, sorry, it's a 40 only. That's a given 40, and I given 22. And one thing observe, friends, I'm doing it. If I'm doing a mistake over here, I can press Ctrl Z. Control Z or G, Z. We don't call it as Z, friend, we call it as Z. So okay, escape it. So I'm taking the circles now. C enter. I make a circle over here. And how we make the circle, friend? We have 28 diameter. And C enter we need to D enter. And we can go by the 28. And the same way we need to do here also. So that is also same thing. And we are taking the same command. If you want to repeat the same command, we can use enter. There was no need to be press circle once again, and we can press enter once again. Then automatically it came. Okay. Now Z enter, A enter. Scroll down. Yeah, zoom down. Now observe, friends, we have another circle here. So this is the outer circle. The outer circle is having 27 radius. So we take 27 radius here, C enter, circle center point is here, take that center point, and I'm going the radius, that is 27. See friend, once if you want to be given the diameter, at that time only we need to be press D enter. But here there was no need to press R enter. Why? Because if you are given a value, that value will treat like a radius. So I'm taking radius is 27, so we can take back. See friends, and the next time if wants to be given that same circle, there was no need to given the values. We just press enter, automatically it's taken that what the previous value is given by the circle. Okay, so either it is in the diameter or radius, it's not matter. Okay, I pressing enter. I'm pressing enter. I'm not, instead of going the value, we can press enter, no problem at all. So it's take 27. Now let us see here. We have another circle with the diameter of 20. So that's why C enter. I'm taking the circle over here and D enter 20. Good. Now I'm selecting these lines, friends. This is the line segments are there. These line segments I'm selecting now, and I'm deleting this line segments here. No problem. Delete it. Now I'm taking the circle, that is C enter, and I'm using T enter. T for the tangents, right? So I'm just for the first tangent here, and just for the second tangent here, and I give it the radius, that is 30. I'm using the trim command, so TR double enter. I'm selecting this side. Then automatically what happens? It's trimmed. And escape it. And then once again we are using C enter, T enter, and I'm just for the first tangent here, just for the second tangent here, and I've given the radius, that is 10. See friend, I'm following the dimensions of the plan, no problem. But I know that what is the dimensions for that, so that's the reason I can give that all those values by directly, friends. Okay, remember it. Okay, and if you want to be do this same planner, so first we need to check that what the dimensions values are there. Okay, that we need to remember. Now I need to take that another circle here, say that C enter, T enter, and I'm using 83 radius. First tangent here, second tangent here, 83. Good. Done. So now I go for the TR double enter. I don't want this areas, so I just maximize, zoom it. Now I can easily trim. TR double enter. I trim this area. Okay. Done. Now I can scroll it down. I can trim this also. And basically escape it here and select this and delete it. And I'm using it the same command, TR double enter. I trim this and I trim this. And I want to be doing one more command, C enter, T enter. First tangent here, second tangent here, and I give it as 10 radius. Then TR double enter. I trim this. I trim this. What happens? I trim this one also. And after that, we need to take a one line there. L enter. Take a line from the quadrant to this quadrant. Simple. And we can see another line I am taking. But here I am using shift plus right click. And I am using tangent. I am using tangent over here. And once again shift plus right click. And I am using tangent. Click here. Done. You can see friend, the plan is done. So this is one type of method, friend, to explain. So but I am explaining in a different way also. But that different way we must learn. So first we need to know that copy command. So if you know copy and move command, so then we can easily doing it. Okay, I delete this, no problem. So okay, this is the first method I am explaining to you, but I am going to explain the second method also to you. So that is what, friends, I am going to discuss about the copy, move, mirror, rotate. These all those commands I am going to discuss on the next section of class, and after I am going to discuss the second method to you. Okay, have a great day, friends. Enjoy the day, friend. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts, please comment below. Okay, okay friends, thank you.